Is it okay if your baby scoots around on their bottom? Should you be concerned? And is there anything at all that you can do to help your baby to crawl the right way? Because the way your baby moves now can definitely change the way they learn, grow, and develop later on. Hi, I'm Cherrick, a pediatric physical therapist. I show you how to turn simple touch and movement into strength and brain development. If your baby is scooting instead of crawling or avoiding hands and knees completely, you're in the right place. Because in today's episode, we're going to look at what scooting means, when it's a red flag, and I'm going to give you 3 clear, simple, hands-on strategies you can start using right away to help your baby crawl on their hands and knees. Well, let's start off by talking about what exactly is the difference between scooting and crawling. Crawling usually means your baby is up on their hands and knees, moving forward by shifting their weight and coordinating both sides of their body. It's not just physical. Crawling strengthens baby's arms, shoulders, hips, and builds their brain through cross-lateral movement and communication between the right and left side of the brain. Scooting, by contrast, often involves baby dragging themselves forward using one leg, one arm, or even scooting on their bottom. And yes, this is an effective way of getting around. It bypasses a lot of the strength and coordination benefits of crawling. So let's talk about when scooting might be a problem. Here's when scooting can signal that something is worth looking into. 1. It's your baby's main mode of movement past 9 to 10 months, and they've never crawled on their hands and knees. 2, there's a clear asymmetry. What asymmetry means is that baby's always using one side of their body and avoiding putting weight on the other side of the body. 3, they're delayed in their other milestones like sitting up independently or pulling themselves up into standing. When these things show up together, we're looking at more than just a quirky movement style. It could be that your baby is missing some strength things. There are a couple of things that you can do to help your baby crawl. Tip number 1, use a low friction surface. Scooting works well on carpets or grippery floors. Try using a smooth surface like a play mat or a yoga mat or over hardwood. This makes scooting harder and encourages your baby to experiment with crawling on hands and knees. Pair this with short bursts of supported side lying. Number 2, elevate your baby's chest. Use a rolled towel or a exercise ball under your baby's chest during tummy time. This reduces the effort while helping them to build shoulder and arm strength, which they will need to push up and coordinate their crawling movement. 3 to 5 minutes a few times a day. Tip number 3, place toys diagonally or off to one side. Instead of putting toys directly in front of your baby, try placing them just off to the side. This naturally encourages cross-body reaching and weight shifting. So avoid placing the toys straight ahead all the time. This often leads to more scooting or leads to baby becoming frustrated as they're trying to reach the toy and they're not able to. So here's a bonus tip. When to get help. If your baby is scooting at 10 plus months and hasn't shown any signs of crawling, don't wait. This is the perfect time for a quick movement screen. Even one session with a pediatric physical therapist can help you identify what's missing and get your baby on a better track towards crawling in a purposeful manner on hands and knees. So to recap, scooting isn't always a problem, but if it's persistent, asymmetrical, or paired with delays, it's worth taking action. Try these 3 strategies to guide your baby towards stronger, more coordinated movement. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. If this video helped you understand your baby's movement better, hit that subscribe button and check out my videos on crawling, tummy time, and motor milestones for every stage from birth to 12 months. I'm Cherrick, and I show you how to help turn simple touch and movement into strength and brain development. I'll talk to you in the next video.